Okay, y'all, this is your Black China doll coming in here with this wig right here. Now, I was up one night watching videos, and earlier that day, I cleaned out my wig arsenal, and I had an old wig in there, and I'm like, man, it looked terrible, so I threw it away. So I know I want to buy a new braided wig. Okay, so was checking out the Braid Queen. It was a little bit too expensive for my taste. You know, awesome job, but girlfriend couldn't afford it. So I come across this video of this young lady who did this wig, and she made it look so easy. I was like, oh, I could do that. Oh, I could do that. Baby, let me tell you something. Braided wigs are easy if you know how to melt that lace. So this is my attempt of trying to do that, but this is an awesome wig. I like the length. Check out the length. It's a 3 by 14. No, 13 by 14. No, 13 by 4. Here are the ends. The ends are great. Okay. And the wig was on Amazon for only $65. I was like, I can afford $65. No problem. No problem. So I put the wig on. You can see me attempting to put the wig on and trying to do what I need to do to it. But baby, let me tell you something. It take me a couple more times before I get this right. Or whatever. So, but I love the color against my skin. That's beautiful, isn't it? The contrast, that's awesome. Or whatever. The work is pretty good. I don't know if a machine did this or a person, but I don't know. But it's pretty good. You know, I think the Braid Queen is more handmade. This is not handmade. I think a machine did this. I'm not certain. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys my attempt. Now, don't laugh, okay? This is my first time trying to braid a wig like this. So, don't be all up in my comments chuckling and shit, okay? Alright, so here we go. I tried to lay the baby hairs. I need to do, to get some, thin out the baby hairs a little bit more, but, alright, there we go. Okay. This is my attempt, okay? I know it's a gang of baby hairs, but don't be tripping. Don't be tripping, okay? So, but this is the wig for $65. This is the back of the wig. I have no idea what it looked like back there. And I did put some mousse or something, so it might be some white stuff. Or whatever, but it's the inside of it. Now, this is what she didn't show me on the video. She didn't show the inside of it, but I'm going to show y'all the inside of it. Okay, ooh, sorry guys. Okay, so I think for $65, this is pretty good. If you know how to lay that lace, baby, you got you a nice braided wig. It'll take me about 2 more times to get it right, but I want to come on here and show you guys. And here's the top. The top part of the wig. I want to come on here and just show you guys this wig. And I think it is a very good buy, as long as you know how to lay that lace. I tinted to lace with the Eben tint spray or whatever. I laid the edges with that boost enhancer, and that was it. That was it. It was just trying to get that lace down was hard for me. Okay? Alright guys, this is your Black China doll. I was just coming into the playhouse to show you guys this new braided wig, dolls. And I think I did an okay job for my first time. You guys let me know. Oh, what is all these flying things around? I don't know. Oh, from this coat. Okay. You guys let me know if I did an awesome job at putting this together for the first time. I don't know. I think I did okay. I think I did okay. Over here is a little iffy, but, you know, I'll just leave it like that. If anybody that damn close to me, they need to be buying me the braided queen wigs. You know what I'm saying? At any rate, you guys take care. Today is Martin Luther King birthday, so I thought I'd put on some braids, you know. You guys have a pleasant day. I hope everybody stays safe. This is your Black China doll coming in with a braided wig. Y'all tell me how I did. Alright, guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Why don't y'all share my videos? Dang, I can't get no sharing. No sharing. You can't share sharing. It's scaring. Alright, guys.
1, 2, 3,
Take care.